Hello,
Hello.
my name is Donald. I am calling from your television cable service. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, Donald. You're from my television and cable service, huh? Okay.
Sir, we are going to change the main cable line of your area, so we need to replace your cable box with a new one and save your TV reception. So just for the account verification, how many televisions do you have in your home?
I have two televisions. Two.
You have two televisions and two cable boxes, right?
Two televisions, correct. And two boxes.
Yeah. Okay.
Correct.
So I will send brand new cable box at your place
Oh, you're
and
gonna
save your TV service.
you're gonna send them. You're not gonna upgrade them. I had a call earlier that said they were gonna upgrade, but they never did upgrade them. But so you're gonna actually
Yeah.
send me new boxes. So what's going
Yeah.
on? What's going on? Are they going to that new 2K service now? Video?
Sir, I will send new box at your place.
Mhm.
Maybe Fridays or maybe UPS. My technician guy will come at your place and
Oh,
he will give you new box.
okay.
So just for the account verification,
You have the
how
right
to
address.
pronounce your first name?
Okay. My name's George Smith.
George Smith, right?
That is correct.
Okay, George. Can you please tell me your full physical address? I will send new box at your place.
Well, don't you have that there, or do you just need me to verify it for you?
You just verify me.
Just verify you? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready for the address? It's 22.
Yeah.
Okay, listen up. It's 2215 West Madison Street, Chicago, Illinois, 60612. Did you get that okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Okay, I have your address. Yes. I have your address in my file is 2215 Madison Street, Chicago, Illinois.
No, you screwed it up. There's no 2215 Madison Street. It's 2215 West Madison Street, Chicago,
Yes,
Illinois.
2215.
22.
Okay, just a moment. I will just.
I said
Yeah,
20.
2215.
Yeah.
2215 West Madison Street, Chicago, Illinois.
606.
And your zip code is. Yes, I will tell you your zip code, okay?
Okay.
I have your zip code is 60612. It's correct?
Okay, what suite do you have? It's a suite.
Sir, I have your address is 2215 West Madison Street,
Okay.
Chicago, Illinois, 60612.
Okay, who are you
It's
going to
correct?
send it to? There's several apartments here. They're listed as suite.
Apartment?
Yeah, it's a suite.
Okay, can you please tell me what's your apartment number?
Well, you said you verified it, so do you know what suite it is? Or do I have to tell you? It's a 4-story building.
Sir, I have, but it's a company policy. Every customer need to verify me your details on the recorded line. So
Okay.
that's why I am asking you.
Okay,
So what's your apartment number?
It's not apartment, it's suite 420. If you put apartment,
420.
yeah, but it's suite.
Apartment 420.
No, you're not listening. You gotta open your ears. You gotta focus. It's suite. They call it a suite, not an apartment. This is a high-end building. There's several suites in here. S-U-I-T-E. Do you know how to spell that? Suite?
Okay.
It's S-U-I-T-E.
So
You got that? 420. If you
yeah,
don't
I
put,
got it.
yeah,
420.
you got to write it perfectly, otherwise you'll never get those boxes to me. It's very important.
Okay.
The last guy that put apartment
Just
on
a
there,
moment.
I don't know what happened to because I never got anything when it was a magazine subscription. I think those were, but
Okay,
I
so
think that
sir,
I think the magazine subscription was like scammers from overseas. That's what I think they were. So, but I never did get the magazine subscription, and then they debited my card. They stole money out of my account. So,
oh,
anyways, okay. So you're gonna send them Friday. You say by Friday I'll get them.
and sir, one more thing. You
Are
are my loyal customer. You are
okay.
getting a discount to get on your monthly bill
Oh, really?
because you are the account holder. You paying your monthly bills by yourself. It's correct.
Of course I do. So who's bringing the boxes? Who's gonna set them up? Are you gonna send a technician? Because I don't work with
Yeah, my technician guy.
I don't work with
Yeah, my
electronics.
technician guy will come. Yes, sir. Listen to me. My technician guy will come at your place and he will hook up new box and save your TV reception.
All right.
But sir, I will send a technician guy at your place, maybe Fridays or maybe UPS studio. So that's why you just have to paying a one-time shipping fee because I will ship you the new box at your place.
Okay, and you're on. Okay.
Okay.
So, and where
So
are
please
you
tell me.
located? What's the name of your cable company?
I am calling from Xfinity, Comcast, and AT&T Direct TV.
It's one or the other because they're not the same. They're not the same. It's
So
either
who do you have?
Xfinity or
Yeah, who do you have?
well, you tell me. You're the one that called me saying you're going to give me all kinds of new boxes and that. So which one is it? Pick the right one. You can do
That
it.
Xfinity, Comcast.
It's just Xfinity. They used to call it Comcast. Comcast went away. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's Xfinity.
Yeah.
So
And,
good guess. I gotta applaud you.
yes.
That was an excellent guess.
So, sir, listen to me. I will send new box at your place through the UPS or Friday. So please tell me which card you like to choose one-time shipping fee. Are you
Well,
going to use the
just-
same one that we have in our
I
file?
thought you were sending.
You want to go with the different
I
one?
thought you were sending a technician to install 'em.
Yes, sir, but it's a company policy. You pay up first, and then I will send new boxes. So please
my
tell
God.
me. I have your Visa debit card. Start with the number 4, and this card holder name is George Smith.
But you got to
So
get
can
my.
you please go ahead?
Yeah, but you got to get my middle initial on there. You got to get my middle name because it will not go through unless you have my full name.
Yeah, but sir, I just checked your card details. So I have your card details. Show George Smith.
It
So
says
I
more.
already have your all information.
No, you didn't check it
just
because
for the recorded lines.
listen, if you checked it, it has my middle name on there. Otherwise, there's can be about 1 million George Smiths in Chicago. So you got to get the right George Smith, and you got to get my middle name right.
Okay, just a moment.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay.
George Smith is a very
So, sir,
very common name here.
yeah, I know. I already.
Okay.
So, sir, just a moment. I will check in my system. Okay, so just for the recorded lines, can you please go ahead and grab your same Visa card in your hand and verify me the details on the recorded lines?
Yeah, do you know my middle name? No, just verify that you're not one of those overseas scammer guys. What's my middle name?
Okay, just a moment. I will check.
You got it?
Just a moment. I will check in my system.
It starts with a V. I'm trying to
Sir,
help.
I just see your first and last name.
It doesn't work that way. Okay, put this down, otherwise you're not going to get any payment from me. My middle name is Victor. Can you say Victor? Hello?